Being a Lemons rookie can seem daunting. Maybe you followed us on social media or watched a few YouTube videos and you think, well, these guys are going to hate me if I'm not driving a Wartburg or a Mitsuoka Vute.
But you're a rookie.
I'm new! I don't know what to do!
You've got plenty of other stuff to worry about other than keeping a Mitsuoka Vute running, so you'd rather just bring a normal-ass car. But guess what? You can bring a normal car to Lemons and still make the judges happy. You can even cause the fastest red flag in Lemons history and still make the judges happy. Team Civic Doody did exactly those things, and here's how.
Civic Doody is a Washington-based team, and their golden opportunity to race in Lemons came when a friend of theirs was moving to Australia, which, as we all know, is next to Germany. Now, they didn't know what to do with their 2007 base model automatic Honda Civic, and that, people, is the best time to make an offer for a car when someone has to get rid of it and is going to Europe or wherever Australia is. They scored it for $500, and Lemons' build was on at that point.
This team's combined track experience was 0 laps before their debut race at the Ridge, so a modern automatic Civic was a good choice. This car has stock suspension, stock brakes, stock 16-inch wheels, and even a stock exhaust with the catalytic converter. Everything is available at the local auto parts store or wherever, and it's all reliable and cheap.
Still, Civic Doody was definitely aware that Lemons judges would appreciate it if they made their fairly humdrum Civic into something more impressive. And that's where one of the best building materials in Lemons comes in: carvable pink foam insulation. Using the foam, hot glue, drywall texture spray, and rattle cans, the team transformed the Civic into an excellent version of a pirate ship, or should we say a Civic Type R.
So, they've got a main mast, a top deck, a skeleton, full team costumes, and lots of booty. Once they finished all of that, the team turned its attention to the required safety prep. Here's a pro tip / shameless plug. Our tech inspectors are easily contacted via email on the off chance that, you're a first-time racer whose only expertise is building foam pirate ships. So Civic Doody reached out to our tech boss John Pagel, and he was able to connect them to a local veteran racer, Matt Adair, who then personally coached the team through the whole process. The team sends a big thanks to John and Matt, and this is really just encouragement for any rookie team who's feeling unsure about the whole process to just get in touch with us. It's on the website.
So, they get it to the track, they have all the pirate stuff in place, they are ready to take the green flag, and at that moment, boom, the entire bow of the ship blows off all over the front straight at the Ridge. So there is insulation foam all over the front straight, and that results in a red flag in about 38 seconds after we started the race. At the time when I recorded the wrap-up video with Nick, I had a pretty strong opinion about this. Worth it.
Now, at the time, 38 seconds after the green flag, this was the fastest red flag in Lemons history. This record has since been reset after another incident, also at the Ridge, where this BMW E46 drift missile crashed and caused a red flag before the green flag even dropped.
Back to the topic at hand, even without the prow on the ship, Civic Doody's main mast going down the front straight made us laugh every single time, and that was enough to award the team the Halloween Meets Gasoline prize for the best theme and costume. Comes with $1,000, and that should buy a lot of replacement foam and hot glue for their next race.
And all of that is just a great example of how to be an excellent Lemons rookie. Oh, and one last thing, the original owner of this car, that guy who moved to Australia, yeah, he moved back.
America! Yeah!
But sorry about your car, man. It sucks.
Every second you don't subscribe or watch one of these videos, another Vega is sent to the crusher. Won't you help us save Classic?